If there's only one side dish you make this holiday season, let it be this delicious sausage and sage stuffing. In part 4 of my holiday cooking series, I'm going to show you how to make this easy and delicious stuffing. Let's get into it. Cube your bread into 1-inch pieces and place in the 300-degree oven for about 20 minutes to dry out. Next, dice your vegetables into small even pieces. We are using celery, carrots, onion, garlic, and mushrooms. Finely chop fresh herbs. We are going to use sage, rosemary, and thyme. In a large skillet, add butter, carrots, celery, onions, mix well, add salt and pepper to taste, your garlic, your mushrooms, fresh herb mixture, set aside, add your sausage mixture, cook until brown, add the rest of your mixture back in, combine all the ingredients in a large baking dish, add egg, chicken stock, mix well, bake at 375 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes covered, then 20 minutes uncovered. Take out of the oven and let it rest 10 minutes before serving. Once you make this stuffing, your family will want you to make it for every holiday dinner. Thank you for watching, and as always, the full recipe with measurements is on my website.